Eki ni kijeho bwa nyuma y'abakuru mu district ya NTOROKO kugira ngo emyegyemure basa kwija kugaruka bwa nyuma y'enjoro kutandika kugwa mu district egi. Omu mwaka gw'2019 enyanja ya Mwitanzige Kaboga abantu barukurenga omutwaro gumwe bahunga omu maka gabo bwa nyuma y'amaju gabo kwijura amizi. Emyanya ya Kiliziya Okuteganisibwa erimu Gwakamuga, Rwangara, Kanara, NTOROKO West, Kachwankumu, Kataga, Katoringo hamwe na Maranga.
NTOROKO district we face so many challenges whereby the whole sub-county of Kanara was submerged with water and a whole ward of Kanara Town Council was also submerged. In this incident, all people are staying in camps and we have been in a prolonged drought.
District obwo hatinegera ngo kumara ekizibu eki eyina okuheebwa eitaka kuruga ah'irindiro ry'enyamaishwa rya muri Game Reserve okwenda ngu ekabona hiyateeka abantu.
We as the district leaders, we have managed to come up with a contingency plan that will help us to solve some of the challenges, whereby we are going to launch it next month in April, around 15th. We are coordinating with the State for Disaster, Mr. Hilary Onek. Today the chairman has submitted all the papers so that it should be approved and we launch it officially in the NTOROKO district.
Kwezi kw'ikumi mwaka gw'2021 enganzi y'ihanga Robina Nabanja katayira district ya NTOROKO kandi yabaraganisa ko nibija kuhebwa sente z'orukwinga n'obukadde 5 okugura eitaka. Gasha kwa Agacencwire.